Engineers often use computer simulations in their design processes. A real-life situation is represented using computer software, where variables can be changed, predictions can be made, and the risks and benefits of the project design can be determined without the high cost and timely manner of physically running the process design. You are watching a computer simulation of a meal picking design in a food distribution center. The picker is responsible for filling 12 meal orders, and her walking and picking times are calculated both per order and cumulatively. She begins with a gray tray to the left of the screen and a meal order of about 10 to 14 items. Each item is assigned a number from 1 through 56 and sorted along the perimeters of 3 rectangular tables. The yellow squares represent the bins in which the meal order items are stored. The color change to black indicates an item that needs to be picked for the current meal order. Note that the picker does not see a color change when picking the items. The picker is trained to collect the items in the order they appear on the meal order and to be standing directly in front of each item when picking it. In other words, she may not reach across the table or stretch over other items to pick an item she needs. To the right of the screen, you can see a column in blue indicating which order number the picker is currently filling. In this simulation, the picker is assigned 12 meal orders to fill. To the right of that is a column in red indicating how many items in that order have been picked. Remember, each order has approximately 10 to 14 items. The table at the bottom of the screen calculates the picking time and walking time of each order. Above that table are the running cumulative times for this picker to fill the 12 meal orders. Notice that the picking time from order to order is about the same, 18 to 26 seconds. This means that the amount of time needed to simply pick the items from the table and put them on the tray is the same. There is not much that can be done to decrease the picking time. The amount of walking time varies much more, depending on how far each item on the meal order is from the previous item. The cumulative overall picking time for the 12 meal orders in this simulation is about 940 seconds, or 15.7 minutes. Of that time, 268 seconds are spent picking, and 672 seconds are spent walking from item to item. Engineers would analyze the data and brainstorm methods to adjust the design in order to minimize overall picking time for better efficiency. The less time it takes to pick meal orders, the less it will cost the company.